Hello friends, today I am show you how to install XAMPP server in our PC laptop, whatever you have there. So let's go to Google's and we can download XAMPP server. In this series we are discussing about school management system. So XAMPP download this is the first link. I click on search in Google XAMPP download. After I click on the first link like this link. Okay, I click on here. So I am downloading latest version PHP 8.2. I can show you clearly. And I have PC 64 bits, so I am downloading this one. Suppose you have PC like 32 bits, so you can download your 32 bits. Like here you can showing like you need to change. So let's download this one. I can click on is a success message, and after I click on the processing, here you can see your download will be starting shortly. So once the process completed, after you can see it here downloading. So just wait few minutes. Once download, I'll let you know. Hello, download is completed. So you can see it here like I can go inside and you can see its files like here download. I click right clicks and I click on the opens. So once open the pop-ups about the setup files. So taking time to processing. So you can see like a setup XAMPP server Windows to the XAMPP setup wizards. I click on the next. Okay, I choose all the by default chapter. I click on again next. I can change my path because I need to install my another drive. So I go to my PC like I go to my PC. After I go to my G drives, I create a new one like XAMPP 9 because I have already installed lots of server here. Laravel, XAMPP. I am installing new one Laravel XAMPP 9. Okay. So my folder name is XAMPP 9. I copy this folder name. I go here and after I go to this follow this file size. So Laravel XAMPP 9. I choose this one. I click on the OK buttons. So you can see it. G drive inside XAMPP folder name. Okay, I click on the next. I need a language is English. Okay, next. Preparing and downloading some packages and installing some packages because these are working like online. So don't disconnect your internet. So taking some time. So just wait, please. Okay, once is the project install done, so you can see it like XAMPP server install done. So you can see it here is a finish button. You click on the finish buttons. After go to your folder like XAMPP. I will install like G drive inside like XAMPP. So you can go inside and you can go down. You can see all the folders about the XAMPP server. So you can see it here like one file XAMPP controller. Okay, you click on this files means you can click on this exe file. So open the like this model. Here is all the setting there: Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury. So I am to do only Apache MySQL. So I click on the starts. I click on the another MySQL starts. So here to first time you do, so you need to ask the permission. So I just click on the allow access. Same like here allow access. So once it's started, you can go to your browser localhost. You can type here localhost. So you can see your XAMPP server installed done. Which is the version? What's the version here? Suppose you can open the PHP my admin. So you can see here which PHP version are you using. Here you can see it like PHP version. Where is the PHP version? Here you can see PHP version 8.2. So in this video, I show you how to download XAMPP server and install in your PC laptop. And next video, I can show you how to install Laravel projects.